Good evening, everyone. This is Henry Gamble with simplertrading.com, and in tonight's free video, I wanted to bring you the idea, or at least the potential consideration, of the Dow moving into 30,000, right? We had this lifetime high back up here at 29,543, then the huge correction at the beginning of the year. We've recovered the vast majority of that, and now it just kind of seems like into the election, we've got to consider the potential of the Dow getting to that 30,000 mark. All right, if that is something that's going to happen, Apple is not going to be as much of an important component after the stock split. The places you're going to want to focus, if this index is going to get up into that big psychological print, my two favorites are CRM, which I know that you look at that and say, it's at lifetime highs, it's up 3%, that's really what you're trying to buy. Well, I don't know that you have to do it with long calls, but could you look at the bullish butterfly into 300? I've got it on for this week, and if it doesn't work for this Friday, I'll put it on again for next Friday. I just think this breakout is, it looks like the biggest volume it's ever traded as far as that weekly bar is concerned. So I just look at this and think there's no reason to call the top, so just try to participate in the continuation with a strategy that makes it easy to sit through. And then the other is going to be UNH. So where CRM is already well on its way, UNH is more still in the stages of coiling. So the way that I'm playing it and will continue to add to this name is to buy December and maybe even further out call options and then evaluate them on November 2nd. That's the first trading day in November, and if I've got some good profits, I'm going to look at hopefully, maybe, I should say if I hopefully have good profits there, I'll have the option to peel some of them off. If I decide to hold through the election, it's worth noting this November seasonality, right? 80% of the time, if we're using the maximum amount of data available, UNH is up 80% of the time in November to the tune of almost 5%. So, hard to say exactly what the future holds, but if we're looking for action that just kind of keeps things aloft, there will be declines, but, barring any big crashes, these will be the kind of products that keep moving higher, and I think we should be able to make some money on them into the end of the year. So, I hope that is helpful. You guys have a great rest of your evening, and we'll see you at the next free video.